Greetings and salutations, ones and ones. The professor is back with another director's overview. Big up all of the people them who've been supporting the director's overview. And I must tell you, it is not for everybody. Some people will find that it's not necessary, but others who look for a deeper meaning, and people who look for just beyond the entertainment but want to be educated about how the process goes, will stay in tune. So thank you for staying here with us, and let us jump into the one that we'll be looking at now, and that is Fatal Shot. Let's begin. So straight off the bat, let me tell you some of the things that we're looking at, where we present these things to you and you might not realize it. We start the scene with Carlton drinking something red. I think it could be Campari or whatever, but the fact that we're talking about fatal shot that has to do with blood. So we start the scene with something red in a cup to indicate, say, we are looking at something that has to do with blood, because Michelle got a fatal shot.
Alright, Siki, let her come in, please.
So he's now playing frustration. And the last person he want to talk to is Dr. Grant. However, him have to talk to her because she's the one that have the information about the body.
How many drinks have you had?
A lot, though.
Don't you think you've had one too many?
No. Really? Maybe a ring. But cheers to this bird. Call it a swallow.
You hear the play on words? Cheers to this bird. We call it a swallow. There's actually a bird called a swallow, but he is using this now as an actual swallow. So this is what we call a play on words. So these are the little subtle things that we point out when we do the director's overview.
Have you seen
Michelle's body? Yes, Carlton. Michelle's body is there and yet she's there.
Oh, wow.
No, as much as people say Dr. Grant is a heartless person sometimes,
She got a shot.
she's trying to be as diplomatic as possible with passing on this information.
Just a shoulder shot and she's dead.
It can happen, Carlton. You see, there are huge blood vessels in a human being's shoulder, as well as lots of very delicate nerves and a very complex ball and socket joint
Listen.
that no surgeon on earth can put back together once it's smashed by a bullet. Furthermore, a shot to the shoulder has a very high chance of causing arterial blood to spill into the lung. This can be fatal in most instances, and that's exactly what happened to Michelle.
Pause for the cause.
Ambulance found her in time. She could have been saved, but
Carlton asked if a shot to the shoulder can actually kill somebody. Because in a fiend mind, it could be just like a flesh wound or something will just go through the shoulder and come out. But Dr. Grant is now educating us, educating the general public as to why it could be fatal, what area of the body it hit, what blood vessel it can hit that could cause fatality. So in the scene, it is not just about entertainment, but also educating people on what can harm. So again, it's all about edutainment. See? Let us continue.
they didn't. Carlton, once again, I'm sorry.
a softer side to Dr. Grant.
We cannot believe that Michelle dead. This doesn't seem real. And furthermore, we have no update on Tiffany.
So, you're saying up to now you still have not heard from Marcus?
No.
Well, maybe he's drowning himself in his campaign.
Iron guilt. Michelle blood upon film hand.
So again, it's a play on words. Carlton is drinking, but have to do with liquid, and they're saying Marcus is drowning himself
I mean, his niece.
in his sorrows.
I mean,
Again, dealing
we
with
all
liquid,
now know that
the
she's
red
your
liquid,
daughter.
the
So
blood.
the responsibility is now on you. I don't think he would care anymore.
Marcus now let that go without a fight. I mean, I know my brother. He's been our father for 18 years. So now I'm just trying to see where I can fit it. Michelle was supposed to be here to help with that transition, but I don't know what's going to happen now.
Carlton, it is sad. But you have to be strong for Tiffany when she comes home. You just have to have faith.
Here comes Dr. Grant with some words of
I
wisdom.
believe in that now.
3 times a week. 2 days on the weekends. It's not your faith.
Wow. So now, the devil visits church. Interesting.
Oh?
Tell me something I just
I didn't know you
noticed.
did.
Carlton pick
How
up
often?
a bottle of Campari that was placed on the table. Again, playing with that whole
Good one, Max.
fatal shot, the blood.
Good one.
Hello? Yes. 20 minutes. Okay.
Do you guys think that Dr. Grant can be trusted?
They're asking for the policies to come and identify the body. You have to do this, Carlton. There's no other way. And by the way, they have also contacted Marcus. So you both will be there together.
This moment is called a dose of reality. Yeah. When you realize that you think you're strong sometimes, and then when reality hit, you realize that human emotions start come out. Tell me what you think about the scene. Tell me what you think about the synergy between Carlton and Dr. Grant. And if the things that I'm going to point out, if you guys did see it, playing with the whole fatal shot thing, playing with the idea of blood, the things that represent the blood, yeah. These are the things that we establish when we talk about the scenes in Director's Overview. So, until the other side, this is the Professor signing out. One love.